Hi guys, welcome back to Crafternoon. You know it's November, so we can't leave you without doing some sort of turkey, right? So today we're doing just that. You guys are gonna get a bag full of construction paper and a little body, and then you guys can make this at home. So you're gonna get these papers, and so what you're gonna need at home is some sort of glue or tape, a pen, scissors, maybe some crayons because you want to color your turkey, and of course something to write with because you gotta put your name on it, right? No name, no fame. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so here's our little turkey body that's gonna come in the bag. Isn't he cute? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your pieces of paper and you're gonna put your hand out, and just like I did when I was a kid, this is a classic, you guys, gonna trace your hands with the pencil. Now I've got two ways for you to make the turkey. One traditional way and a new way that I thought was pretty clever. So I just traced my hand and then I cut it out, but to save time we already cut our hands out. So we have 4 colors. Some of you guys with little hands, you guys could do it a couple times and have lots and lots of feathers. So what you're gonna do is, I like to see which direction I want them to go in. So like I like it when the thumb's hanging out this way on a couple of them, and then the thumb's hanging out that way, kind of like this, like you're holding a deck of cards. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to use the glue stick. Like I said, there's other ways you could do this. You could totally use white glue or tape of some kind. So I'm going to attach the hands. I know this might be weird because you're like, how are you going to get those on the turkey? But I'll show you. So we're going to attach the hands all together. And then what we're going to do is close our glue for a second because I want to actually draw on my turkey here. So I'm going to see, my turkey is going to have orange legs. Oops. And let's see. Oh, I think I want an orange beak too. You guys could do whatever you want. I made it upside down. That's okay. And then what is this thing called on the side of the turkey? I forgot. But it's gonna be red, and then I'm gonna do eyes. I'll just make half circles, and then another half circle. You see? And then little eyes. Now he looks possessed, huh? He is having fun in here. So I'm gonna give this turkey some eyelashes. You guys think? Pretty cool, right? Okay, so now that he's kind of dressed up, you could even give him clothes if you really wanted to. That actually kind of sounds fun. We should give him some clothes. Let's give him some clothes. Let's see. Here's some green pants on. Let's It's really hard to tell with this brown, but you can kind of see the idea. So we'll do brown pants, green pants, sorry guys. Austin just got me on that one. Okay, and then let's do yellow shirt. My turkey's gonna be fancy. Okay, so my fancy turkey with clothes. Okay, now we're going to, oops, I dropped some glue. Glue the back side of him. And you can glue his little legs if you want. It's up to you. So you can put him up here, which is totally fine. You can put him down here. However you guys want to do it is up to you. There's no wrong way to make this turkey. Okay, so here is my finished turkey. What do you guys think? Gobble, gobble, gobble. So the second way that I thought was pretty clever is if you have a special grown-up in your life, maybe a big sister, big brother, an aunt or an uncle, you guys each trace your hand and then you layer them, and then there's going to be different layers of the feathers because it's going to be you and your other person that you made your turkey with. And then of course, you know, you could color him and do all that fun stuff. Okay guys, so this is our last project for November. Next month, or sorry, next week, we're gonna have something called Thanksgiving leftovers. Have you guys ever heard of that? So Thanksgiving leftovers is you're gonna get an I Spy for Thanksgiving, and then you're gonna have different projects that we've had out since we started Crafternoon. So might be an apple, a butterfly, there might be flowers, you just never know, so it's a surprise. Maybe you guys missed one and you want to come back and try to do it. So you can come the week of Thanksgiving and you come get it. Thank you guys, bye.